Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons we're going to cover today are AM or PM, compare clocks, elapsed time, days of the week and months of the year. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the first lesson. Here I'm on grade 2 math. Let's just start with the chapter time. The lesson we're going to start today is AM or PM. Okay, let's start with an example, right? Mila likes to go out with her parents for dinner. What time will she eat, right? So, dinner obviously at the night, right? AM is used for the morning time. After 12 in the afternoon, it is PM, right? Anytime in the evening or night is PM. Afternoon, right? Afternoon, it is always PM. And morning, it is AM, right? Now she want to go to the dinner with his parents. So dinner is obviously at PM. So that would be 6 PM, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Alan's family is going for a bike ride in the afternoon. What time it is? Which is the correct option? Afternoon it is PM, right? So that must be 3 p.m. The correct option is 3 p.m. Courtney is going to go out to a party tonight. What time it is? Which is the correct option? Frank does not like waking up in the morning. What time does he not like to wake up? He did not like to wake up at 6 a.m., right? So Nana likes shopping in the evening. What time does she shop? 7 p.m. it is because she want to show up in the evening. So in the evening, that must be p.m., not a.m. Iman woke up to go to school. What time did she woke up? Wake up. So usually everyone goes to school in the morning, right? So that must be 6 a.m. it is, right? Because everyone goes to school in the morning. That must be 6 a.m. Catalina went to the fireworks at night. What time was it? Which is the correct option? Yes, that must be 9 p.m. because night it is, right? Mars was not working on his computer at night. What time was it? 10 p.m. it is, right? Because night it is, so obviously it is then 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Be careful. Mila likes to go out with her parents for dinner. What time will she eat? Yes, 6 p.m. it is. The correct option is 6 p.m. Zad will play basketball with his friend in the morning. What time will he play? Yes, 9 a.m. because he is playing in the morning. Zahid, Mila, Catalina, and Iman do their work after they come home from school. What time did they do their homework? Which is the correct option? So they, when they came home from school, they do their homework, right? And that, obviously that would be 4 p.m. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is compare clocks. Let's just start with the lesson. Let's see how do we compare clocks. Okay, the clocks show three things. Ying did Saturday evening. You are given three of the clocks. The one right below the clock you have written ate dinner. The second right below the clock you have took a shower. The third one is went for a walk. What did Ying do last? So just look at the time. Here the first one is the small needle, like that one is the hour needle, that is at the 10, or hand, that is at the 10, and the other one, the minute hand, is at the 12. So that means he ate 10 at exactly 10, right? This one he did at 10, right? Here you can see the hour hand points to 7. So he took shower at 7, he took dinner at 10, ate dinner at 10, took shower at 7, and went for a walk at 9. So what he did last? First he took shower at 7, 9 he went for a walk, and 10 he did dinner. So that means that is the last thing he did. Got it? How we know? We know because you have 7 first, then 9, and then 10. So that means the last thing he did is dinner, right? Let's just start with the test questions. The clock show how, when some friends got home from school Monday afternoon. Who got home first, Rachel or Karen? The correct option is Rachel come first, right? 4 and 5. So 4, you have 4 p.m. or a.m. first, then 5. So obviously then Rachel came first, right? The clock showed three things Sheng did Sunday morning. What which did Sheng do latest? So which is the correct option? Okay, so see here, he walked the dog. The time is 10. He got dressed. What time it is? 11. He watched TV at 8. So what thing he did latest? First he watched TV, then he walked the dog, and the last one he did, he got dressed, right? So the one he Chengdu latest is got dressed, right? That would be got dressed. The clock show three things Jake did Thursday evening. Talked the phone at 10, ate dinner at 7, and watched a movie at 8. What did Jack do earliest? So which is the correct option? Earliest means that the first thing he did. The first thing he did is ate dinner. That that's what he did at the first. Earliest means the what? The one he did first. That is ate dinner. Latest means the one he did last, and earliest means the ones he did first, right? The clock shows two things Frank did Friday morning. Which did Frank do second? So which is the correct option? The clock showed two things. Which one he did second? He fed the cat at 8 and he packed the lunch at 10. So which is the correct option? Yes, the one he did second is pack the lunch. Option number 2 is the correct option. The clock shows when some friends watched a TV show Sunday evening. Who watched a TV show latest? Dan did at 9, Frank did at 10, and Alan did at 8. So who did the latest? Frank did the latest because Frank is the one who did at the last, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is elapsed time. Okay, Jackie started working on her science fair project at noon. She didn't stop working on it until 9 o'clock. How long did Jackie work on her science project? Right? So, the thing you need to understand here is Jackie started working on her science fair project at noon, right? Noon means 12 p.m. it is. And he ended up at 9. You have to find how long, like how many hours he keep working on the project. So you have to count the time from 12 until 9. So from 12 until 9, how many hours do we have? 9 hours it is. That means he keep working on the project for 9 hours. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Elapsed times means you need to find your time durations. Okay, Ali went sailing with her parents. They got on the boat at 10 o'clock in the morning. The boat returned to shore at noon. How long were Ellie and her parents on the boat? You have to calculate the time duration they were on the boat. How do we calculate? So they started at 10 o'clock. So the start time is, here is the start time. That is 10 o'clock, right? They ended up at noon. Noon means 12 o'clock. How long they were on the boat, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 2 hours and 0 minutes, because from 10 to 12 that is just 2 hours and 0 minutes. So option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Dave was going on a big trip. He arrived at the airport at 9 a.m. and got on the plane at 10 a.m. How long was Dave at the airport? So which is the correct option? He is at the airport for 1 hour 0 minute. Very good. The correct option is option 2, that is 1 hour and 0 minutes. Jackie started working on her science fair project at noon. She didn't stop working on it until 9 o'clock in the evening. How long did Jackie work on her science project? So, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 9 hours and 0 minutes. Option 2 is the correct option. It was 8 a.m. when Kindy began mowing the lawn, and she finished at 9 a.m. How long did it take Kindy to mow the lawn? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1 hour and 0 minutes. The correct option is option 1. Jennifer and Clayton went to a carnival. They got to the carnival at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and didn't leave until 10 o'clock in the evening. How long did Jennifer and Clayton stay at the carnival, which is the correct option? That would be from 2 until 10. So that would be 8 hours and 0 minutes. How 7? That would be 8 hours and 0 minutes, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is days of the week, I think. Days of the week. How many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The first question is which day comes after Tuesday? So basically you must learn these days of the week names, right? So if you know the days of the name, that you know must know what is the day, which is the day after Monday. So after Tuesday it is, after Tuesday it's Wednesday, right? So after Tuesday it's Wednesday, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which day comes after Saturday? Which is the correct option after Saturday? What day it is? Yes, after Saturday it is Sunday, it is right after Saturday. That would be Sunday. Option 1 is the correct option. Very good. Which day comes after Wednesday? Which is the correct option? Yes, after Monday. Sorry, after Wednesday it's Thursday. The correct option is Thursday. Option 1 is the correct option. Which day comes after Sunday? Which is the correct option? After Sunday it is. Yes, after Sunday it is Monday. The correct option is Monday. Very good. Which day comes after Monday? Which is the correct option? After Monday it is Tuesday. It is right. The correct option is Tuesday. Which day comes after Wednesday? Yes, after Wednesday it is Thursday. It is very good. Which day comes after Friday? Yes, after Friday it is Saturday. The correct option is option number 4. Saturday. It is very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is, I think, days of the months. Yes, months of the year, right? Okay, so here is the list of the name of the months, right? They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, and December, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which month comes before May? Which is the correct option? Before May, it is April, right? The correct option is the second one. Very good, April it is. Which month comes after November? Which is the correct option? After November, it is. After May, it is. Sorry, November, it is December. The correct option is option 1, December. It is. Which month comes just before April? Yes, March, it is the correct option is March. Before April, it is March. Before April, it is March. I'm still on the same question. Which month comes right before June? After June, it is? Yes, July, it is. Which is the sixth month of the year, which is the correct option. Yes, June is the sixth month. The correct option is June. Which month comes right after January? After January, it is? Yes, February, it is. The last option is the correct one. Can you hear me? Which month comes just before September? August, it is right before September, it is August. Okay, the next one is which is the second month of the year, which is the correct option. The second month is, yes, February, it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is time, and the lessons we have covered today are AM or PM. compare clocks, elapsed time, days of the week, and months of the year. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask question. No questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.